But my interest in gemology has been I think I've always had, like, an interest in jewelry. I think it's fascinating how it is a way that a lot of, like, families, especially through World War II, were able to maintain, like, their generational wealth.
Yeah.
And it's just something that is so it's part of our culture, and it always has been. Like, if you go to museums and you look at some of the oldest pieces, it's gold. It's, like, inscribed gold. It's metals that have been manipulated and turned into adornment, and I think there's something really amazing about the fact that we've always found ways to, express ourselves through what we're wearing, and jewelry is the thing that actually stands the test of time. Like, it
Yeah.
doesn't go away,
Yeah.
and I think that's pretty cool.
So you work with some jewelry clients through Trademarks,
Yes,
yeah?
yes. I love working with jewelry clients, and I love that I understand exactly what they're talking about because right now I'm doing a gemology diploma.
Oh, nice.
So I'm learning all about diamonds. I'm learning all about jewelry, and it's I love working with clients where I really understand what it is that they're doing, and I'm really passionate about it.
That's amazing. So you're working with attorneys from South Africa, which
Yeah.
you're here with, which is a gem
Yeah,
capital.
yeah. Well, we had some great conversations about diamonds. I definitely want to visit and go see some mines myself firsthand. There's none near New York, obviously, so haven't been able to see any yet. But it is really fascinating how the jewelry market it's such a interesting creature, and especially the jewelry industry, it's really hard to break into. It's a lot of families and very close knit, and I think that they're a little bit skeptical of lawyers, and certainly the law has not caught up, especially when it comes to jewelry design.
So
And
what are the kinds of issues a jewelry company faces?
yeah, well, there's the basic ones that everyone who creates things face, where it's copying, but there's also things in terms of supply chain and certifications. The Kimberly process is something that recently came about, following just how blood diamonds have entered the market, and that regulation in itself is very fascinating. Something I'm hoping to like dip my toe into as well.
And so you work with Canada and Australia. You both kind of got connections to both places.
Yes, so I also, even though I am so far only barred in the US and the UK, I'm hoping to become qualified in Canada. I had my paperwork processed by them, and they told me what exams I need to do.
We have attorneys inside of Trademarkia that are
Yeah,
Canadian and
really
Australian.
great. Yeah, Mark in Canada, I've loved working with him so far. I haven't worked with David yet in Australia quite just yet.
Yeah.
But it is really great that we have this entire network of people who are within our firm. Like I've worked in a boutique intellectual property firm that was based in the US and was very American focused, and the way that they operated with agents, it just made me realize like the inefficiencies and the fact that we were just passing on those costs to clients
Yeah.
did not seem fair and did not make sense.
Yeah.
So I think we're the firm of the future. I think that places that are not thinking internationally are actually on the out. And it is an adapt or die situation. And I think that we're adapting amazingly, and we're so forward thinking in terms of how we operate.
So how did you develop your mindset? Like you've got such an inspiring mindset for, being a young person. How did you develop that? Like where did that come from?
Honestly, I think it's just a lot of challenges. I've had so much in my life not happen the way I want it to. And I think that being able to look back at everything that has ever happened in a way that I didn't at the time want has made me realize I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be and heading more in that direction.
That's great.
So I think definitely growing up internationally and getting exposed to so many different people and different career paths and different ways to exist. And I've been telling people today, like, I think that there's so many ways to be an attorney. And if I had known that when I was in law school, I think I would have been a little less stressed.
So this is an international trademark conference.
Yes, yeah, we're here at INTA. It is the biggest trademark conference. I think I saw 10,000 people was what the attendee list is. So everyone from all over the world, and being able to actually talk to people and interact with them and see that they're doing the same type of work and they have the same kind of passions and the same kind of goals for their clients, but they're doing it from an entirely different perspective has just been really cool.
Protect your brand with Trademarkia. Register your trademark on trademarkia.com.